Hello, and how are you? We are here for another session of SolidWorks Sketch course. In today's lesson, we will learn the Mirror Entities tool, which allows us to create perfectly symmetric sketches quickly and accurately. So, let's start. Entering sketch mode, here, new, and choose a part. As we need a 2D space, we should choose one of plane, front, top, right. I choose front plane. Mirror entities works only inside a sketch and requires existing sketch geometry. So mirror is here, sketch tab and mirror entities. We need something for mirror, so I draw a center line. As I said in a session that related to lines, I explain about center line. Making a mirror sketch is one of the application of center line. I draw a circle and, for example, a rectangle here. So, how to use mirror? Click mirror. We have two options that we will choose. Entities to mirror. I choose circle. Mirror about. I choose center line. Oh no. Clear. Choose circle, mirror about, choose center line. The preview is here. We have double circle that mirror about this line. We have an option here, copy. Is this active this tick? We have a two circle like that, but mirror again. Entities to mirror, mirror about, but if turn off this tick, we have a one rectangle here. Just transfer rectangle under this center line. It was so easy. You should practice. That's everything you need to know about mirror entities in SolidWorks Sketch. Using mirror will save you time and help you create clean, symmetric designs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for next lesson. Bye bye.